Well, hello, my Mad Scrappers. It is me, your friendly neighborhood Mad Scrapper. I am coming on because I need to beg forgiveness. I need to apologize to all of you. I need to reschedule the drawing for the Mad Scrapper Filled Another Jumbo Jet 1000 subscriber giveaway from tonight to tomorrow night. When I originally scheduled all of this, my mother had not been hospitalized yet, and that did happen on last Thursday, and she still remains hospitalized. She is improving. Um, um, Without just going into gory details, I mean she's in a locked unit right now, which means in order for us to see her, we only one member of the family is allowed to see her each day, so we're taking it in turns. And I scheduled to see her tomorrow because you have to make an appointment to see her. They're saying it's for COVID restrictions, but there you go. So I'm scheduled to see her tomorrow at 6 p.m. And as much as I love you guys, and I don't ever want you to think that you guys are not important to me. This channel and you guys are important to me. But the truth of the matter is my mother is more important to me. And she needs me to see her. I need to see her. So I will be seeing her tomorrow. Hence, I cannot be at two places in one at the same time. So here I am, humbly begging for forgiveness for not being able to do this. I've also realized in testing my system that I'm not quite ready yet to do a live. And it's not my system, it's me. I'm old, and it takes me a little while to pick up new tricks. So this dog will learn, but we have to get ready for it to do it properly. So I am going to do the reveal on Wednesday. I will be doing it as a premiere. So I will record the drawing first and then reveal it, but you guys will see it the whole thing, me going to random.org, the whole enchilada. So I want full transparency on this. I want you guys to see it. So you will see who exactly the winners are as I draw them. So I wanted you to know that. But again, I need to beg forgiveness. I will make it up to you for this having to do this. All right, guys? I am so very sorry. But the show will go on. I promise you. So meanwhile, I'm going to get back to getting stuff done here. I'm going to let you guys to go out and craft and make beautiful things. And I just want you guys all to remember that here in the crafting room, the madness abounds. My life is one great big ball of madness right now. But I don't want you guys to ever forget that we're all a little mad here, okay? So come craft the madness with me, okay? I will see you guys Wednesday at 6 p.m. I'll have other videos already uploading anyway in the meanwhile, okay? Thanks a lot. Have a great evening and a great day. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!